Tutwiler, Mississippi is a long way down the road from the comforts of everyday America. This downtown died long ago. There's a liquor store and a grocery store with not much for sale. From these tracks, Delta blues music spread to the rest of the world. Some here live a life of the blues. A third of the families fall below the poverty line. But they do have one thing, the Tutwiler Health Clinic. Low cost, even no cost, health care.
We don't ask people at the door before we see them pay the money. It's a matter of seeing the patient, whatever they need.
Dr. Ann Brooks, a Roman Catholic nun, runs the clinic.
So Melrick, how are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Melrick Payne pays what he can for health care, $15 a month.
That means everything. That means I can actually afford to stay healthy without having to spend a lot of money for it.
Sally Hunt.
Tutwiler doesn't have a hospital. The closest is 25 kilometers away, by car, which many do not have. And if they do, they need money for gas, like Timothy Lane.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, that's okay. I got to have some gas, though.
Okay, we'll help you with gas, okay?
The poverty here is hidden. It's unexpected. It's poverty that shouldn't be in any condition, in any place, anywhere in the world.
Nearly 3 out of 4 new patients have no way to pay, so Sister Ann accepts whatever they can afford, whenever they can afford it. Some days that might include a bushel of squash or the day's catch of catfish. The clinic gets 3/4 of its income from donations, from people like Ken and Diane Allen. They started sending donations 20 years ago after learning about the clinic.
It just touched my heart. And so I said to Ken, we have to do something.
They've been sending money ever since, but this was their first visit.
Ernestine Walker.
Many of the patients share the same health concerns. The state of Mississippi has the highest rate of obesity in the U.S. Doctors partly blame that on traditional fatty foods that date back generations.
Yeah, I haven't done any extra eating.
Back to Melrick Payne. He's 34 years old and weighs 197 kilograms.
What's happening is you weigh more than 2 people.
Mm-hmm.
So you're asking your heart to beat for 2 people.
For 2 people. And it's hard. I mean, it's a way of life. The way we eat, just different things is just so unhealthy for us. And as you get older, it catches up with you, and that's the point where I am now. So
I have here a picture of your heart.
The clinic fights that culture with education.
Boom, boom, boom. That's what we like to see.
Gwendolyn Payton just lost 4 kilograms.
In other words, by me losing the weight, that's helping my heart too,
Absolutely.
Right?
Dr. Brooks has run the clinic for nearly 30 years.
God has made this possible.
Catherine Burnside.
I have a huge amount of faith that it will continue whatever way God wants it to continue.
I got you down for Friday, December the 10th.
Mm-hmm.
As long as I'm alive and well and love what I'm doing. Thanks a lot, Medrick.
okay.
We'll stay open.
Tutwiler, Mississippi doesn't have jobs or wealth.
Say, move.
Yeah.
What it does have is a 72-year-old nun who enriches lives in another way, by extending them.
I'm thankful for you, Dr. Brooks, I tell you. I'm thankful for you.
Carolyn Persutti, VOA News.
All I did was put my foot in your bottom and say, move.
Yeah.
But I'm very proud of you.